Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akila Rana Pribadi, and in this video, me and my partner Nur Ulyasari will review a movie entitled Here Comes the Boom. So please check it out. So actually, we have write the main story of the movie or the conclusion of the movie, and I will read it for you. The story is about a 42 years old biology teacher named Scott Foss who was not passionate in his job. One day he met Marty, a middle-aged man who really loved music and passionate in his job as a music teacher at the same school as Scott's. Then there was a moment when every teacher in the school is gathered by the headmaster of the school. There, the headmaster announced that some extracurricular must be stopped because they have no fund to support the extracurricular activities. And music class is one of the extracurricular in that school. So when Scott heard about this, he was very shocked and angry because he knew that the music class is handled by Marty. And if the class is stopped, Marty cannot earn money and he will be in a lot of trouble since at that time he was expecting his second child. And because of that, Scott asked the headmaster not to stop the extracurricular activities. Unfortunately, the headmaster rejected Scott's request unless he can collect enough money to make this music class continued. So Scott agreed and he decided to collect the money himself by fighting in MMA and UFC championship. Scott's friends thought that he would not make it since he had not enough experience to fight. But Scott had set his mind and nothing can stop him. So he was very optimistic about that and he believed that he could do it. So he began to train himself with the help of a fighter trainer named Nico. He faced a lot of struggles and obstacles, but at the end of the story, he could make it and he won the UFC championship after facing an intense fighting with Ken Derrick. Finally, Scott can save the music class by donating the money he collected from winning the UFC championship. Next is the strength of the characters. There are four main characters in that movie. The first one is Scott, the second one is Marty, the third one is Nico, and the fourth one is Bella. The strength of Scott character in that movie is that he has a heroic character in that movie. He was a person who helped others' life even though he knew that it might endanger himself. And he never gave up on something until he got what he wants. In addition, he was a great teacher. He knew how to treat his students, he handled them well, and he could make his students enjoy the learning. And of course, his students were very proud of him. The second character is Marty. Marty was a person who was very passionate in his job. He loved music so much and he loved to teach music to students. He was also a person who inspired Scott to love his job more and not to give up even at his critical time. In addition, Marty was a good and loving husband to his wife. He did not tell his wife about the problem he faced at school because he did not want his wife to feel sad or overthink about it. The third character is Nico. He was a former MMA fighter, yoga teacher, and gym trainer. His appearance made him look like a tough man, but his heart was so soft because he did not want his teacher and his friend Scott to be hurt if he joined the MMA championship. But at the end, he supported Scott's decision and helped him to win the competition. And in addition, he was also a person who worked hard to achieve his dream. His dream is to be an American because he was not originated from America. The last main character is Bella. Bella was a girl that Scott liked. At first, she rejected Scott's feelings because she knew that Scott wasn't a really good teacher at first because Scott often came late and ignored his students. She also rejected Scott's invitation to have dinner with him in many times, but that's what makes her expensive, or we can say that she wasn't an easy girl to catch. So at the end, she accepts Scott's feelings towards her after she saw Scott sacrifice to save the music class. So that's the end of my part and it will be continued by my partner Nur Ulyasari.
And one lesson from the movie is about inspire our students. From the movie, Scott sacrificed in help his students and his friend out with their problem and difficulties and inspire many people. So we think that we as a teacher should be able to inspire our student because basically the teacher is an example of students to follow and becoming successful in life as the teacher, the one who have great influence on the students' behavior and knowledge. So having an important role for students make the teacher have a huge impact on the way of students act and think. And the teacher can make the students feel good about themselves by showing them that they are capable of doing anything if they are work hard enough and never give up on their dreams. Therefore, it is very important for us as a future teacher to know what we are going to be, what kind of teacher we are going to be, and how we can help the students through inspiring them to be a better person. Yeah, maybe that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I would like to continue the review of Akila Rana Pribadi, and here I'm gonna talk about one best scene of the movie and one lesson we can learn from the movie. So the best scene of the movie, we think that when Scott can inspire students through his struggling in MMA and UFC just for saving money to save a music class, especially at the time when Scott fighting in UFC. He felt so nervous, but suddenly he found that his students and his friend be there to support him. Yeah, the scene is kind of heart-touching one, as he who an amateur can win the championship, can win the champion by losing one of the greatest fighters named Kendall Rich. And also there is a time when he almost failed and quit, but he tries what he can do, even though it makes himself in danger. So, yeah, he do anything what he can do, because he look at around the ring and found that his friend and his students have a big hope on him.